Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can clear your goods from shipping company directly. Of course, you must have been using procurement agents, you must have been using different agencies to buy your goods directly from China. Of course, say no more to it, because in this tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can clear your goods, total clearance from shipping company. That's what I'm going to be sharing with you in today's tutorial. You don't want to pay any agent for clearance or anything at all. Stay with me. Let's dive into the video.
Welcome back to another session of this video. If you are a first timer watching this video or coming across this channel, my name is Samuel Joshua and this is the voice of 𝐂𝐨𝐧𝐭𝐚 Logistics Limited. So I've recorded a video on how you can sign up on 𝐂𝐨𝐧𝐭, how you can get their warehouse address. So if you've missed the video, then you want to go and watch the video, then come back to this video. So in today's tutorial, we are going to be looking at how you can clear your goods with 𝐂𝐨𝐽. Now, I've recorded the video on how you can also make a recharge. So you can see that under my balance here, I have this amount here, right? And if you can go to online recharge, you can use this online to recharge directly. Instead of you wasting your time to go to their office to start waiting and clear your goods, you can easily make your payments on the app and clear your goods directly from the app without involving anybody, without disturbing anybody, or without going to their office to do transfer, saying network is bad, this is happening. So if I'm to come to bank transfer here, you will see that this is how you can make their payment, and within 24 hours, they are going to see the money reflecting. So this was, if I'm to come to message here, you can see the last payment that I funded here, that the bank recharge was successful and they've credited my account here, which is what you are seeing on my balance. You can see my balance. If I'm to go to my bank recharge record, you will see how much that I've cleared. You can see that these are different items that I've cleared with this guy, because I've been using these guys now is over years, right? If I'm to go to my previous previous statements with them, you will see that it has been a while. You can see that this is 2024 that has been using this guy. So let's go and clear our pending goods. So now we have different this surface. This is a new surface, right? They just upgraded their app to this surface here. So to see your pending payment, just come to under this pending payment here. I have two different goods with this guy, which is what you are seeing here. So the second one, which is the last one, is one carton. If I'm to click on details here, you see that this is the carton number is just 2 kg, and it has been with them for, I think, since May. So I'm paying 33,000 for this one, which is this first one. You can see here that it is unpaid. It is included that it is unpaid, right? So, and this one too, this first one is my office items and other stuff that I want to resell. So like I've always tell you, I don't just teach people on how to do this business. I also do it and practice it myself, and I also resell. So this is 256,940 naira that is unpaid, that I'm going to be clearing today as well. So one thing I love about these people is that you can basically clear your goods directly yourself without involving anybody or without involving anybody at all. So you can see this is the details of the tracking number, the kg, and the everything. So the first thing now, we are going to be making the payment. So this first one, you want to, okay, before then, if you want to also see the status of your order, the tracking status of your order, you can click on tracking here. Once you click on tracking, it's going to give you the breakdown of your order. You can see this is the movement of my goods, and presently now you can see they say the shipment has arrived to Lagos warehouse, pickup warehouse, and that is to tell you that they have finished the clearing and the goods is ready for pickup. This is very much important, because without you seeing this, they are not going to be giving you your goods. So you want to make sure that this is always available whenever you want to pick up your item or before you pay. So now the next thing is to pay, right? So you can see the pay option here. By clicking on pay, This is the total freight amount is $70.63, and the clearance is 155,375 naira. So the total make it 256,940,000. So which is what we are going to be clearing now. So I'm going to click on pay, and once I click on pay, you can see here, since I've already funded the account, the next thing to do is just to click on my payment password here. And once I click on my payment password, I'm going to click on submit. And once I submit, the payment is going to be successful. So you can see now that my payment are successful. If I'm to come to return now, you can see that the payment has left under pending payment, right? So the same thing that I'm going to be doing for this one too, by clicking on pay, and I'm going to tap pay again. And before then, let me go and check my balance. You will see what I have under this session here. If I'm to refresh now, you can see that this is what I have left. I have 35,000 naira left. That means they've taken the money for the clearance of the other one. So I'm going to come to home, go back to this pending payment and click on pay here. And I'm going to click on pay again and input this, my payments password, and submit. So boom, we've cleared our goods with this guy. So the next thing now is to go to their warehouse and go and pick up this item directly yourself if you are in Lagos, because their warehouse is in Lagos. They don't have warehouse. I think they also have warehouse in Kaduna, right? So but if you are in Lagos, you are looking for someone to help you run the delivery, to help you pick up the item in their warehouse and send it directly to your location. Maybe you're outside Lagos, we can help you do that. Our logistics can help you do this delivery directly. We help you take it to, we help you pick it up from the, we help you pick it up from their office and then send it to park, take it to the park directly, call you, speak to the driver, and then negotiate it on your behalf and send it directly to the address you will be giving to us. So we can help you run the delivery. Okay, so our goods now is now ready for pickup. So if you see under pickup available now, these two goods is going to be showing. So if I'm to click on pickup now, you will see that the item is going to be showing under pickup here. So you can see here, this is the location to pick up this item and is available for pickup presently. So you can reach out to our China warehouse if you want to ask us anything, you want to consult us, or you want to ask any question regarding China importation or anything related to what you are seeing on the screen. Maybe you want to create an account with these guys, you want to ship your item, you want to create 1688 accounts, you want to verify your Alipay account, you want to fund your 1688 account, you want to fund your Alipay account, you want to buy RMB, sell RMB, you want complete training on e-commerce, you can message our China office with the number displaying on your screen right now, or you check the comment section or the description button of this video. This is how you can contact us directly, and our experts will definitely respond to you. So I hope you find value in watching today's tutorial. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share it to whoever you think the video will be helpful to. So I'm going to be leaving you with this video on how you can create your account with 𝐂𝐨𝐧𝐭, how you can also get your warehouse address, and I've also created a playlist. Just check under the description button to go and see the playlist on any shipping company. We've recorded like 4 different shipping companies, so you can go and do your comparison together with this guy. So I hope you find value in watching today's tutorial. I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye.